time, space, and causation, the big three of the universe, who both the scientists as well as the mystics say always go hand in hand. What's funny is that they share a trait with our old ambivalent friend God. You can't see any of them. You can't see time, but you know it exists. There's 24 hours to a day, 30 days to a month, and 12 months to a year. You know that. Everybody knows that. But that is calendar time. Just a sort of graph for time that we humans have made to make things practical and schedule our routines. Animals don't know about Sundays. Plants don't want a Rolex watch wrapped around their stems. And yet, they don't have to check a device to know that day has begun. Just as we know the same with sunrise. This is called nature time. But even this doesn't define what time really is. Both the scientists and mystics have a third term, absolute time, which they say is the real thing. So, what is absolute time? It's that dimension of time that is actually going on. You see, time is a hugely relative thing. We all know it goes way too fast for someone who's happy, like when you're enjoying a film or a rock concert, which you don't want to end, or a lover sitting in a restaurant with his girlfriend always feels the waiter is in a rush and comes all too soon. On the other hand, a man waiting for an appointment from a person in authority feels it's taking too long as he sits in the waiting room. And the pangs of waiting for the doctor to come out of the medical room to tell you about the welfare of your dear ones, that time can be agonizingly slow. So, absolute time is that time which actually is without your sense of happiness or despair attached to it, without it being judged or verbalized. Space is the wholeness of the created world. We can't see space, but whatever is erected, a mountain, a tree, a river, even the sky itself, is in space. Whatever we create too is in space. A house, a table, a car occupies a space. It needs space. So, space, though itself not visible, is real because objects need space to themselves to become visible. And then the biggest question: what is the cause of time and space? What is the cause of all that there is? In this quest, the scientist comes down to matter and atoms and subatomic particles and goes deeper and deeper and smaller till he comes to say that at the base of all things is energy, vibrating at different paces to create the effect of different things. And the mystic goes deeper and deeper and larger and says the largest entity in the universe is consciousness. And this supreme consciousness causes all things to birth in itself. Both agree that causation is a primal energy. The scientist gives it an equation: E is equal to mc square. The mystic calls it God. Om Namah Shivaya.